Alphen. Alphen!
What was that? They took everything from me. And left me with nothing but guilt. But not anymore. I've met people who I care about. And I won't lose that. Never ever again. Let's go! Once and for all, we are going to end centuries of terror and death. Right here, right now. So please,
Grant us your strength!
No differences may exist here. Everything must be the same.
Nasamil, there's something you need to hear.
For another chance at life!
To bring forth a better world and being true to ourselves!
With all the people we love!
We'll be together forever!
Tear down the walls!